Hello, Brandy. All right, really quickly, first I want to apologize for the delay. I recorded this video 2 days ago and it never uploaded for some reason. Been having a bit of technical difficulties with my laptop. But that being said, just really quickly want to go over your website, give you a couple tips on how to rank it and bring in more organic traffic and more leads to your business more consistently. First off, I want to say your website looks really nice already. Simple GoDaddy site can go a long way. You show all the different things that you can clean, your different services, and so that's basically all you really need in a website in order to show off your business. It even shows prices, so that's awesome. Your Facebook page also looks really good already. Let me see. One last thing I pulled up earlier. I don't remember if you have a Google business listing. That's something that a lot of the cleaners websites that I've looked at have not had. So let's check it out. If I look up Kelowana cleaners, your business listing should come up right here. But it's not showing up, even if I type in BC. So that's a problem. Unless you have another business name, then maybe if you have another business name, then it would show up under that. But I'm guessing your name is Kelowana Cleaners and it's not showing up. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go create a Google business listing. All you do to do that is go to google.com/business and enter in all your information. You'll need to get a postcard to verify your address, and you can set up this listing. It's super easy to do. And once you are ranking in the top 3 spots, you're going to get a lot of people who are searching on Google around you, and you'll show up and they'll be able to call you from the business listing. So what are the ranking factors for a GMB? It's pretty simple. When you first set it up, you want to add at least 25 photos. When you upload the photos, you want to name the photos as keywords you're trying to rank for, such as cleaners near me, home cleaners, Kelowana, cleaning services, those types of keywords, the things that people are going to be searching. You want to include those both in the photos and in the business description. After that, you're going to want to get lots of citations. What a citation is it's a directory. So anytime somebody searches for things on like Yelp, Home Advisor, all sorts of those types of websites. There it is. Thumbtack, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, BBB, Groupon. The more times you get your business listed in these types of websites, the more credible you seem to Google, and the higher your website and your GMB are going to rank. So I'd suggest getting at least 100 of these to help boost the rankings a little bit. They're called citations. You can also order those types of services on Fiverr. They're pretty cheap to do. Aside from getting citations, you also want to get lots of reviews. It's pretty easy to get reviews. All you do is click write a review on your own listing, copy the link, go to bit.ly, shorten the link, and then you can text it to anybody that you've worked for in the past, and then they can easily give you a review. See, that can be your review for band. Now you have a custom review link, and you'll be able to rank your GMB with reviews and citations. As far as the website goes, if you actually did want to rank it on Google for just the website and organic search results, which would be under the map right here, there's a couple other things you're going to need to do. You need to have a lot more content. Right now you have probably 500 words of content. Usually to rank on Google, you want to have around 1,500 words on the home page, around 600 words on each of the additional service pages. And inside the content, you want to have specific keywords that you're trying to rank for. Things like Kelowana cleaners, cleaning services in Kelowana, BC. Those type of search terms need to be in the actual content for you to show up and be indexed. So if I put your website inside one of my SEO tools, it's probably not going to show very many organic keywords, 0 organic keywords, because of the lack of content. The other thing that really makes a big impact on ranking is something called backlinks, which is where your website is referenced by other trusted, relevant websites. So right now you don't have any quality backlinks. You're mentioned one time on WebWiki, but that's it. So if you want to get backlinks, you can also order those around different places on the web, or I can give you more training and information about how to get backlinks. Ideally, you'd hire somebody who's an SEO person to get backlinks manually each month, and that will make your website more trusted by Google and rank higher for all of the organic keywords. So that's pretty much the basics of SEO for websites and GMB. Other free stuff you can always do is make marketplace listings. Those are always a nice way whenever you're short on leads. You can just make a listing just like any of these people do, and depending on the location, has some more success in some areas than others. Usually cities it works really well. But yeah, let me know if you have any other questions about SEO, and I'd be happy to answer